Across the nation, including here in Indiana, fewer parents are taking their kids to get vaccinated against once a common childhood disease. WRTV's Naja looked into the reasons why.
If you aren't vaccinating people, then you're not preventing them from getting diseases.
This is why first-time parent Desiree Fitch says she got her 16-month-old daughter started with her vaccines.
As a parent, I just wanted to protect my daughter from any virus she could get.
But not everyone chooses to vaccinate.
When the pandemic hit, we gave the COVID vaccine, but then afterwards we noticed that people weren't coming in as frequently or as much as they should be for immunization.
In general, we were in the 80 to 90 percentile on most vaccines, and now we're down to like 60 and 70% on some vaccines.
It's a trend reflected statewide. According to 2023 data from the Indiana Department of Health, child vaccination rates from kids 19 to 35 months fell to 59.1% for a completed series. That includes shots for polio, measles, and chickenpox. That's down nearly 10% since 2019.
So these diseases we haven't seen in many, many years because everyone's been vaccinating their children against them.
Janice Van Meter with the Hamilton County Health Department says after the pandemic, several factors may have played a role in the decline.
People may have just been out of the habit of going to the doctor. Maybe schools weren't in session and people weren't, monitoring the schedules for the kids.
With COVID, they began thinking the COVID vaccine didn't work because you were getting vaccinated and you still got COVID. Well, the purpose of vaccines is really to prevent you from severe illness.
Both health officials say hesitancy was around before the pandemic, which is why they're still trying to combat misinformation with education.
Read about it, talk to your doctor about it. Maybe if you change your mind, you're more than welcome to come back.
I want to see more and more individuals coming out for vaccines because we are at risk right now.
Naja Woods, WRTV.
And according to the state health department, the numbers have slowly started to push higher again in 2024. However, they still have not returned to pre-pandemic levels. Marion and Hamilton counties both have launched various campaigns to raise those numbers.